Welcome to my channel at Healthopathy. And if you're new here, I simplify gut health so you can take back control of your digestion. Naturally. Let's be real. You're bloated. You're frustrated. You've tried coffee, fiber, Google. Still stuck? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to poop fast. And yes, I've attached my 3-day gut reset plan in the description below. You can download it right now and follow along. So, let's get started. Why you're constipated. Let's start here. Constipation is a symptom, not the real problem. And it usually comes down to 3 things: your nerves, your colon muscles, and your gut bacteria. See, your colon needs a rhythm, something called peristalsis. And that rhythm is triggered by stretch, hydration, nerve signals, and serotonin. 90% of your serotonin lives in your gut. And when stress hits, or you eat the wrong stuff, or ignore the urge, those signals shut down. And so does your poop reflex. Now, here's what you really came for. How to poop fast. This is the system I use with patients. 5 simple steps that reset your bowels without side effects. Step 1. Gut-activating morning water. First thing in the morning, and before anything else, drink this. 1 glass warm water, half a lemon, a pinch of pink salt. Optional. 1 teaspoon chia seeds or soaked fenugreek. Step 2. Squat plus abdominal massage. Sitting straight on a toilet blocks your rectum. Squat with a footstool. This straightens the colon. Then massage. Start from your right lower belly, go up, across, and down the left. Do this for 2 to 3 minutes. Step 3. Move your body, move your bowels. Movement activates your gut reflex. A 10-minute brisk walk, or these yoga poses. Cat-cow. Wind-relieving pose and a seated twist. Step 4. Calm your gut, breath plus reset. Stress shuts your digestion down. Try 4-7-8 breathing. Inhale 4 seconds, hold 7 seconds, exhale 8 seconds. This turns your nervous system from fight mode to flow mode. Step 5. Natural support, Triphala or probiotic. At night, if you still haven't gone, support your gut. Take 1 teaspoon Triphala in warm water before bed. Or take a probiotic with the right strains. Best probiotic strains for constipation: Bifidobacterium lactis, Lactobacillus casei, Lactobacillus rhamnosus. You can also get them from fermented foods like kefir, plain yogurt, or sauerkraut. Now, let's talk real solutions. These aren't just fiber tips, they actually make your gut move. Here's what to eat, when to eat it, and why it works. 1. Kiwi. Nature's little laxative. 2 kiwis. That's it. Have them first thing in the morning or with breakfast. Skin on if you can tolerate it. They're packed with a special enzyme called actinidin, and clinical studies show they work better than fiber supplements for constipation. 2. Triphala, the Ayurvedic gut reset. If nothing's moving by evening, I go old school. Triphala. 1 teaspoon in warm water before bed. It tones your colon, calms the gut, and helps you go gently by morning. But skip it if you've already got loose motions or you're pregnant. 3. Fennel plus ajwain tea, gas and bloating killer. Feeling stuck and bloated? This tea's your friend. Boil 1 teaspoon of fennel and half a teaspoon of ajwain seeds in water. Reduce to 1 cup and sip it warm after meals. It relaxes your gut and improves movement. 4. Castor oil. Use only when you're desperate. This is not your daily thing. But if you haven't gone in days and you're getting desperate, take 1 teaspoon of castor oil in warm milk about 1 to 2 hours before bed. It stimulates your colon directly. You'll go in the morning, but only use it occasionally and avoid it during pregnancy. 5. Soaked raisins or figs. Sweet and simple. At night, soak 6 to 8 black raisins or 2 dried figs in a glass of water. Next morning, Eat the fruit and drink the water. This draws water into your colon and softens things up naturally. 6. Senna tea. Plant laxative, not a habit. If everything else has failed, Senna tea can help. Steep a tea bag for 2 to 3 minutes, drink it before bed. You'll usually go by morning, but don't make it a habit. Once or twice a week max. 7. Magnesium citrate. Doctor-backed and powerful. This one's backed by science. Take 200 to 300 milligrams of magnesium citrate at night with water, on an empty stomach. It pulls water into your bowels and makes things move. Start low and increase only if needed. 8. Ginger plus lemon tea. Morning gut stimulator. This combo wakes up your gut. Boil a thumb of grated ginger in water, strain it, and add lemon. Drink it warm on an empty stomach. Perfect if you tend to run cold or sluggish in the morning. 9. Flaxseed smoothie. Softens and lubricates. Blend 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed with banana and warm oat milk. Drink it with breakfast or lunch. The fiber plus fat combo lubricates your gut and helps everything slide out smoother. Try 1 or 2 of these every day. Rotate them. Your gut doesn't need variety. It needs rhythm. Now let's talk about what might be blocking you, even if you're eating healthy. These foods may be fine for some, but when you're constipated, they dry you out, slow you down, or paralyze your gut rhythm. Cheese and dairy. Hard to digest, low fiber. Constipates, especially if you're lactose sensitive. Red meat. Takes longer to break down. No fiber. And reduces gut bacteria diversity. Fried and ultra-processed foods. Trans fats, chemicals, and almost no fiber. Gut inflammation plus delayed motility. Unripe bananas. These are loaded with resistant starch. Good for some, but they bulk you up when you're already backed up. Too much coffee. Yes, it can help, but too much coffee dehydrates your colon and worsens hard stool. Iron and calcium supplements. These are notorious for blocking the bowel. If you need them, take with fiber, magnesium, and lots of water. If you're constipated, cut these out temporarily. Once your rhythm returns, reintroduce them slowly. But for now, eliminate the blockers. You can't poop when you're stressed. Your gut only works in rest and digest, parasympathetic mode. So, fix it fast. Do 4-7-8 breathing. Inhale 4 seconds, hold 7 seconds, exhale 8 seconds. Walk outside for 10 minutes after meals. No scrolling on the toilet. Consider calming herbs like ashwagandha or chamomile tea. When to see a doctor.
If these symptoms show up, it's time to stop home remedies and call your doctor. Blood in stool, severe abdominal pain, vomiting, no bowel movement in 7+ days, sudden weight loss.
Constipation is your body asking for rhythm, not random fixes. Use what you learned today and trust your gut to respond. If this helped, like the video, subscribe and download your free 3-day plan below. Thanks for watching.